the ultimate guide to pet-friendly boondocking spots. Welcome to the world where the open road meets endless adventure for you and your furry companions. We've put together a list of specific, must-visit boondocking spots across the country where pets are more than just allowed, they're celebrated. Get ready to mark your maps, as these destinations promise unforgettable experiences for you and your four-legged friends. 1. Alabama Hills, California. Nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, the Alabama Hills offer an otherworldly landscape of rounded rocks and twisted formations. This is a paradise for pets that love to explore. The Mobius Arch Loop Trail is a must-see, offering easy treks for paws of all sizes, with breathtaking views of Mount Whitney. Pet-friendly highlight: vast open spaces with plenty of room to roam make this a perfect playground for energetic pets. 2. Coconino National Forest, Arizona. With its diverse landscapes ranging from red rock formations in Sedona to ponderosa pine forests, Coconino National Forest offers a plethora of trails and dispersed camping spots ideal for pet owners. The forest's elevation provides cooler temperatures, making it a great year-round destination. Pet-friendly highlight: the forest's diverse ecosystems offer various scents and sights, keeping your pet's senses engaged. 3. Sawtooth National Forest, Idaho. The Sawtooth National Forest boasts over 756,000 acres of public lands filled with crystal-clear lakes and rugged mountains. The Iron Creek to Sawtooth Lake Trail is a fantastic choice for a day hike with your pet, offering stunning alpine scenery. Pet-friendly highlight: the area's numerous lakes provide plenty of opportunities for your pet to cool off after a day of exploring. 4. Buffalo Gap National Grassland, South Dakota. Adjacent to the Badlands National Park, Buffalo Gap offers an expansive landscape of mixed grass prairie. Pets can enjoy the wide open spaces, and the less restrictive pet policies compared to the neighboring national park make it an ideal spot for off-leash adventures, as long as pets are under voice control. Pet-friendly highlight: the sprawling grasslands are perfect for pets to run and play, with minimal risk of encountering dangerous wildlife. 5. Big Bend National Park, Texas. While national parks are generally strict about pet policies, Big Bend offers more leniency, making it a rare find. Pets are allowed on roads, in campgrounds, and on specific trails, such as the Window View Trail, which is perfect for an evening walk to catch the sunset. Pet-friendly highlight: the park provides pet-friendly trails where you can enjoy the stunning desert landscape together. Before you embark, tips for a seamless adventure. Check regulations. Always verify the latest pet policies of your chosen destination before setting out. Prepare your pet. Ensure your pet is comfortable with travel and adaptable to new environments. Pack essentials. Include ample water, food, pet first aid supplies, and comfort items like their favorite toy or blanket. Practice leave no trace. Always clean up after your pet and dispose of waste properly to keep these beautiful spots pristine for fellow adventurers. These pet-friendly boondocking spots are more than just places to park your RV, they're gateways to adventures that will strengthen the bond between you and your pet. Each destination offers unique landscapes and experiences, ensuring that every trip is filled with new discoveries and joyous moments. So, buckle up and set off on a journey that promises wagging tails and happy trails.